Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice if you are new to my channel. I'm going to be doing my pregnancy update. I think it's week 26 and 27. I'm not sure. I'm never sure where I am because I'm further along than I'm actually 30 weeks pregnant. I'm bad at updates, but if I do remember correctly, I will tell you guys exactly how I was feeling, how baby was growing, you know, that sort of thing. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into this pregnancy update. So first things first, weight gain. I haven't gained any weight since my last update. I am still sitting at 225 pounds, which is a lot, but hey, I carry my weight really well, so I'm not worried about it. Madison is around, at that time I think she was like 2.5 pounds. She's well over 3 pounds now, I think. I'm not sure, people. I don't know. Let's see. I don't like updates. I don't. She's growing nicely. I can't wait for us to meet her. This sucks. This really sucks. I suck at updates. I suck at them. Why am I torturing myself? Let's get into the buys. No, what are you talking about? No, do the pregnancy update. These people really want to know about this baby. No, they don't. Yes, they do. No, they don't. Okay, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I was just cleaning. I just did a day in the life video and I started moving furnitures around, and then I remember I'm 30 weeks pregnant, and then I was like, what am I doing? I need to stop this. So right now my house is in shambles until my husband gets home, because I can't put the furnitures in a weird positions, and now I think I'm overdoing it, so I stopped. So needless to say, I need a nap and I'm tired. But anyways, let's get back to updates. In terms of symptoms, I don't have any symptoms. This is a really good pregnancy. Other than the heartburn and the hip pains, I am good in terms of symptoms. Perfectly, it's like a smooth sail. Yeah, I love this little girl, but she does kick a lot. She kicks and it hurts. She's the first baby that I've ever been pregnant with that kicks and hurts. It hurts. Like, she literally rocks my whole entire core, my whole entire being when she moves. Like, she's like literally in there standing up and walking. Like, this child is gonna come out, and she's gonna come out walking. She's learning how to walk and crawl inside of me, and it's uncomfortable, and I wish she would stop it, because that's not how babies learn how to walk. They walk on the outside, not inside of their mommy. So Madison, you need to wait until you get out, and you can come out here and I can teach you how to walk on the outside, not on the inside of mommy. No. With that said, let's move on to food cravings. I don't have any food cravings. I don't crave anything. I barely eat now. Nonetheless, crave anything. I don't crave anything. Nothing. No candy, no chocolate, nothing. Don't crave it. But I think because Madison is just too busy trying to walk. She's too busy trying to walk. She don't want nothing to do with this whole pregnancy thing. She's just like, I'm gonna learn how to walk in here, and I'm gonna learn how to crawl in here, and I'm gonna learn how to talk. And she does get hiccups. I can feel her hiccups. So yeah. that's about it. Yeah, so if I don't have anything else to update. She doesn't have anything else to update because she's quite fine and content in there. And our next appointment is at 32 weeks, which is in 2 weeks. So yeah, and then after that I go back to my doctor every 2 weeks, and then I do that, and then it's every week after 37 weeks, something like that, something to that effect. But I've never gotten that far where I was going every week. I've never gotten that far in pregnancies where I was going to my doctor every week. Never got there. I wish I had, but never. But anyways, let me show you the belly, and then we can get into the baby buys, you know, the fun stuff, the fun part that I love. So if you're just here for the belly and the update, then this is it. If you want to watch the buys, stay tuned. That's coming up after the belly. And this is a 30-week belly, not a 26, 27. Sorry. But it's still the same because I don't think there's much growth. But here it is. Whoo! I can't get up. Help. I've fallen and I can't get up. So, this is the belly. Okay. Alright, let me do. So this is the belly from the side. Don't mind my stretch marks. Side. Show you. Come on up. Here we go. This is the front view. This is the side. So, yep. Okay. I'm out of breath. Now let's get into this baby buy. So, for her coming home outfit, I went ahead and I purchased this, and no, I didn't buy it off of Etsy. I'm not that fancy. Excuse me, that kind of rhymed. But it didn't come from Etsy. I'm not that fancy, you know what I mean? I found this on Amazon, and it was originally $8.99, and I had a $2 gift card from Amazon, so I paid $6.99 for this. And it says brand sparkling new, and it's from China. It's from China, and it's big, and hopefully she fits in it, because that's what she's going to be wearing home. I'm still not sure. It comes with these little leggings. It's cute. And then this cute little headband. See the headband? See the headband? Yeah. And then my battery is dying, so let me hurry up. For my baby shower, I got this shirt that says, "This is my last one, seriously." So this is what I'm going to wear for my baby shower. And then my husband is going to wear this one that says, "The man behind the bump." He better be the man behind the bump. So that's that. And then I got her some stickers for updates. And this is what it looks like before my battery dies. So you have the 1 month stickers, and it goes all the way up to 11 months, I believe. And then you have your holidays and Halloween. We don't celebrate Halloween. You have Christmas. Yeah, we have Christmas, and we have first birthday right there. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for staying tuned to me and my craziness and my weirdness. This is not how pregnancy updates are done, but this is how I do my pregnancy updates, because I'm just that weird, and I don't feel like, when I don't feel like doing something, I'm just not gonna do it. That's just me. But this is my channel, and I do what I please. So if you don't like it, too bad. Anyways, I'll probably edit that out, because that's mean. That's mean. You don't treat people that way, Janice. No, bad girl. Bad girl. Anyways. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next pregnancy update, which probably, by the time you see another update, I probably done had this baby. Sorry. Bye.